Today we're going to be making this little egg hook. Start off today with making this egg hook using these size 16 egg hooks. What you want to do is pick up some salmon yarn. This is pink and red we have. Going to cut off measure about 1 inch of the red. Once you've cut off your red, take that and split it in half. Save 1/2, you can use that on your next egg. And then cut off 1 inch of the pink. Take the red, stack it on top of the yellow, or I'm sorry, on top of the pink. We're going to be attaching these today using red 70 denier thread. We want to start that just forward of the middle. Get your thread started. Trim it. Then we want to run that back just past the center. And then run it back to the middle. Right there. Take your yarn you've cut, stack the red on top of the pink, set it right on top of the hook. You want to use a pinch to set that, hold it in place. Give it about 5 wraps. Pull your yarn forward. Make sure it's centered on top. We're going to go about 3 times around the back side. Now we're going to pull our yarn back. And give it 3 wraps around the front. And then we're going to finish it off with a whip finish. Trim the excess thread. Then we want to finish it with some head cement. Use your bobbin to apply this. Put it on the exposed threads. Help it last longer. Okay. Now the fun part. Pull your threads all up, and you're going to trim it just above, cut them like a haircut just above the hook, maybe 1/8 of an inch. Once you've cut that, everything just puffs out. Looks like an egg, maybe a blood egg. Get a better look at that. Spin around so you can see the bottom. Alright. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my channel as I'm putting out more of these videos and others. And like it. And thank you for watching.